welcome to the second book. Few lessons in this book. It's not traditional, it's not folk, and it is only got influence from European music. So at that point in the last Qajar era, people wants to hear more applied music from other countries to our music. So musicians try to get knowledgeable from other musics, and they're going just to apply those ideas like European style music to our music. For example, one of them is march, the other one is operette. So these two lessons, number 4 and 5, is those kind of music, not traditional, not classical, not folk. The first one, number 4, page 48, به وزن march, F sharp. So whenever fa or F is, the next fret would be F sharp or G flat. 1 and 2 and. Here we can play this rest, like 8th note rest, with mute or bam with chap or rast, or mute and bam, or bam and mute. So you can apply your feeling in those 8th notes silence. Repeat. One and half la. And then you repeat it and you back to. So the rhythm is march. So this piece is famous because of its rhythm. From the beginning. To the second part, but you can play the first part, then after repetition the second one. Another lesson called operette, and it's number 5, page 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next step is you are going just to apply any notes in 1 octave lower. So La, Sol, Fa, Diez, Sol, La, Sol, Fa, Diez, Sol. It's coming 8 notes in octave BAM or bass octave, or 8 notes lower. So from the beginning to second finger, second. Here you go. So in Persian music, like European music, we have lots of those same melodies, but in octave. So it is like call and response, sort of. Call and response again. And it's repeat. A specific beautiful note, so short, long, and then 1, 2, 3. Re, 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 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Re, re, re. Da, da, da. Same like first sentence, you are going just to change this octave to that octave in repetition. We are going just to perform it from the beginning without talking. Page 51 and the lesson number 7, رنگ آذربایجانی. Azerbaijani is Turkish music, so we are going to experience another beautiful Turkish music from north of Iran. And stay please in CGC still. In the third book, we are going to learn how to tune and change the tuning for other maqam or modes or dastgah. Right now we can stay in Do, Sol, Do or CGC. Si bemol, mi bemol, 6/8. See how beautiful is Turkish music. So Ras, Chap, Ras, Bam, Ra, Sol. So you can play Bam whenever you see Sukut or rest. Bam, Riz, Ras, Riz. You shouldn't like da-dum, da-dum. You can stay on La and push, your finger here, and then la, sol, la, re, la, fa, sol, la. And then you have 1, 2, 3, bam, 1, 2, 3, bam. Whenever you're going to reach to re or D, you can play trill با یک مضرب or trill with one مضرب or echoing. So it's beautiful. And then sol on G string, first finger, re on C string. How you're going to count it? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Same. Second finger. Second finger. One, two. Let's play it from the beginning.